Pull over.
What? Who are you?
I'm with the Stride Patrol. You're violating the laws of biomechanics.
Are you kidding me?
Ma'am, do I look like I'm kidding? We take our biomechanics very seriously in this town. And as you can see right here, you're overstriding and you're heel striking.
Huh. Okay, that answers some things.
This is a fix-it ticket. And all you have to do is take the clinic. It's 2 to 3 hours long, and you'll be running lighter, faster, and without bouncing.
Well, thank you, officer.
My work is done here. You're free to run.